tells me my keyless remote battery is low. So we're gonna learn how to change that. Okay, so my car beeped and let me know on the information screen that my key fob battery is low. So we're gonna change that. So we're gonna take our Honda Key Fob, turn it over, and you slide this button over to pull out your hard key, and then take a flathead screwdriver, you kind of put in here and rotate it to break that apart. It comes apart in the middle. So then here's the battery that we're taking out. And it's a CR2032, CR2032. I bought these on Amazon Basics. I labeled them Honda Key Fob and put them in my battery container so that I'd know what they were for when I needed them. So I did that the last time that I needed one. But you can get whatever brand that you want, just as long as it's a CR2032. Any brand will work. Just going to snap this back on. Just kind of line everything up. Squeeze till you hear the snap. Put your hard key back in. And you're done. That's it. Okay, now that we've changed our key fob battery, we start the car up. That warning will be cleared this time. It's on the information screen. There's nothing there anymore. So that's it.